Hi everyone, today we're going to read Splish Splash Baby. It's bath time. Who's in the tub? It's Baby. Splish Splash. What's behind the bath bottles? 3 yellow ducks. Quack quack. What's inside the bucket? Is it baby soap? No, that's a little boat. What's behind the bubbles? It's baby's bath sponge. Squish, squash. What's under those teeny tiny toes? Look, it's a big blue whale. Squirt, squirt. Now bath time is over. It's time to dry off. Who's behind the towel? It's Mommy. Rub-a-dub, baby.